welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my everyday makeup tutorial. I'm so excited to be sharing this look with you guys just because for the past year I feel like I've completely changed my makeup game. I used to be so into, you know, crazy eye looks and as much makeup as possible just because I felt like I was kind of insecure as a teenager, but now I've found the products that have worked for me. I've discovered a few new products, but also these are products that I've been using for years that have worked for me, but I just have, you know, minimalized the usage out of these products to make it more natural and everyday wearable. So if you guys are interested, then please keep watching. Okay, so the first thing that I do is take my Anastasia Beverly Hills brow definer in Taupe, and I'll just fluff out my eyebrows and then go in for the kill. That I like to take is my MAC Pro Longwear Paint Pot in Soft Ochre. I'll just use my fingers for this, and yeah, I used to not believe in eyeshadow primer, but I definitely recommend, like highly recommend eyeshadow primer. Since I really have been loving a natural eye makeup look, I will take my Tarte in Bloom palette. It looks like this. And I will use a MAC 224 eyeshadow blending brush, and I'm just gonna go in with the shade Smarty Pants, and I will just put that all in my crease just to give me some definition. And with the shader brush, I'll take my Kylie Cosmetics brush and go in with the highlighting shade Charmer, which is the white shade, and just go above my brow just to clean it up a little bit. And then I'll take a Mary Kay flat shader brush and use the shade, the nude shade Flower Child, and just put that all over my eyelid. Maybelline Line Stilleto black eyeliner, and I like to draw, this is a new thing that I do, and it's gonna look a little crazy until the makeup is done. So I like to obviously draw my wing, but I've realized when I draw my wing all the way, you kind of can't see the colors of my eyes, and I just feel like I look a little bit better when I only do my wing halfway now. So, oh, I'm a little scared to do this on camera because usually I do this in the bathroom. But I'll just draw the wing and then only do the eyeliner part to right there. So, you'll see. Yeah, so I really only do about half a wing now. So I'm back and I just drew some little tiny baby wings. The next thing that I like to do is my foundation, and I will start off with my Master Prime Face Studio Primer by Maybelline, and it's the Hydrate one. So I'll just take about that much and, you know, put it all over my face. Summertime, I'm getting my freckles back and I really don't like to cover them up, so I found a light foundation, and this is the MAC Studio Face and Body Foundation in N2A8, and I will just, I want foundation just to even me out. I have a few little breakouts, and then I also have my healing scar from getting my mole removed. Always go to the dermatologist, folks, because you never know when something's cancerous. Blender, and I will just cover my face up And again, this is very light, so that's what I like about this. Okay, yeah, see how you can still see my freckles underneath this foundation? Like, I literally love that. This was an average day, I really wouldn't care. But since I am doing a makeup tutorial for you guys, I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Contour Concealer in light neutral and just cover up, you know, some of the things that got left behind. I think that's good. Yeah, I don't really need any more. I love Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. It's literally the best if you want to cover up anything. I used to have such bad acne and it would literally be a lifesaver. Okay. Make my all-time favorite, and this is the Airspun Loose Face Powder. And I'm just gonna do like a couple taps in here, and then I'll grab like that much face powder just to mattify my face because you don't want your foundation moving all around. Take this Morphe R2 fluffy brush and just go all over my face. Normally, I'd probably stop here just because I like the way that my skin looks. But since, again, like I want to get everything that I use, if I were to put on a little bit more makeup in this video so you guys know what I use, I'm going to use this Crusty Dusty from a few years back Cheek Parade palette by Benefit. The only reason why I'm still using this is because, one, I don't want to waste money, and two, I'm going to use this because I can't find my little individual ones that are newer. But these shades still exist, just in the individual containers, and I'm pretty sure that Benefit always comes out with like a little Cheek Parade palette or something, if I'm not mistaken. But I'm going to go in with the bronzer shade Hoola, which is honestly such a OG bronzer, so I'm sure you guys have heard of it. I'm just gonna like lightly do my face a little bit, just to give it a little bit more life. And then I'm gonna go in with the blush shade down here, which is named Dandelion. Okay. So I strategically do my makeup in a order. So if you want to do it exactly like me, I highly recommend, because I strategically do things, like how I didn't do my mascara until the very end. So set my face before doing my highlight and before doing my mascara, because one, the wetness from the setting spray will make your highlighter pop a little bit more, and also my new favorite mascara isn't waterproof and I like it not to be waterproof, so if I spray this while I have the mascara on, it will just drip down my face, which I don't like. So I'm gonna set my face with my Urban Decay All Nighter. My favorite, well, one of my favorite highlighters, which is the MAC Soft and Gentle, and I'll just take a little bit and just do a little bit on the sides of my face. You guys, my makeup has changed so much in the past year. Like, I used to put highlighter here, maybe I'll put a little bit, not much. I used to put highlighter on my nose, on my forehead, which looked absolutely awful, so I don't do that anymore. And again, I used to wear crazy eye makeup and all this, and I used to love it, but honestly it's not really for me anymore. I kind of like the more natural look. I never used to curl my lashes, but honestly I'm so into like really pretty eyelashes, and I wish I had that without paying for lash extensions, but I don't, and I'm also way too poor right now for eyelash extensions, so this is just what I do. I'll take my Telescope Mascara by L'Oreal. Or Telescopic Mascara by L'Oreal, which is such a game changer, let me tell you. And the reason why I like this is, yes, the brush is super flimsy, but look how thin it is, and you can literally get all your lashes in with this mascara. And then without going back in, I'll do my bottom lashes. To finish this look, I am gonna take one of my favorite lip products, and this is the Nivea Watermelon Chapstick. I actually got this idea from Alexandra Cooper. And yeah, that's really all that I put on my lips, just because I really don't like lipstick, and lip gloss can get your hair stuck, so. Alright, so that was my everyday makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and be sure to subscribe to my channel. I make videos every week. Also, if you liked this makeup look, be sure to comment down below and tell me what products that you liked out of this whole tutorial. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!